Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Pandas library, how to read the data from the Pandas library in Python. Let's see. First of all, we have to install the Pandas library. So first of all, we have to use the command pip install pandas. It's showing me that requirement already satisfied. That means I have already installed the Pandas library. So after that, we have to import the Pandas library as PD. PD is the alias. Generally, PD alias is used to import the Pandas library. We can use anything, but PD is generally used. Now, how to read CSV file from the Pandas library? Let's see. We have to give the path of the CSV file. So I directly copy the path of available CSV file. Sorry, we have to run this cell also. Now execute this cell. Head function is used to find out top 5 rows available in our CSV file. We can put any values inside the head to get the details of CSV file. If we put 10, it will give the 10 rows of the CSV file. There is one another function like tail function which will give last 5 rows of CSV file. Here is the last 5 rows of CSV file. Let's find out the data types available in CSV file. How can we find out the data types? By using of D types, we can find out the available data types inside our CSV file. Here we can see like fixed acidity is a flood 64, volatile acidity is flood 64, and there are qualities in 64. So by using of D types, we can find out the data types available in our CSV file or in our data sets. After that, we can use describe function to find out the statistical meaning of our data sets. Like here we can find out count will give the total number of rows available in our data sets. Like there are 3673 rows available in our data sets, and this is the mean of the particular column, and this is the standard deviation of the particular column, and this is the 25% statistical range of the fixed acidity, and how data available in 50%, this is the value of this column, and this is the maximum value of this column. So here we can say this is the statistical analysis of, or we can say statistical analysis of data sets. That's all for the today. Let's meet in next class and we will discuss about more about this about more functions available in Pandas library. Thank you very much.